Welcome to the Autopilot Laptop Setup Guide. We'll show you how to take a new laptop from the box straight to a fully configured user device. Autopilot simplifies device deployment, offering a seamless setup experience for end users right out of the box. The core benefits include zero-touch deployment, making setup incredibly fast and user-friendly, reducing the workload for IT, and improving the new user experience. Before starting, ensure all prerequisites are met. This includes planning your deployment profiles and understanding the necessary components. You must ensure necessary licensing is in place and the device has network connectivity, as Autopilot relies heavily on cloud services like Intune. The next step is preparing the device. This usually means starting the device for the first time or resetting it to factory settings if it's already been used. Let's look at the first main step, device registration, which is critical for Autopilot to recognize the hardware. The device's unique hardware hash must be uploaded to the Autopilot service in Intune or Microsoft Store for Business to officially register it for deployment. Once registered, associate the device with a specific deployment profile. This profile dictates the setup process, including which screens to skip during the out-of-box experience, or OOBE. Now let's switch gears and focus on the end user's experience, often referred to as the out-of-box experience, or OOBE. The user simply powers on the new laptop. Autopilot takes over almost immediately, requiring minimal user interaction. The device connects to the internet and recognizes the associated Autopilot profile, confirming it's part of the pre-configured deployment. The automated configuration begins, applying policies, settings, and securing the device according to the deployment profile, all without manual intervention. Finally, we move to the deployment and provisioning stage, where the device is fully prepared for work. Required applications and line-of-business software are automatically installed, ensuring the user has all the tools they need from day one. The process concludes with final checks, and the user is presented with their fully provisioned desktop, ready to start working immediately. In conclusion, Autopilot streamlines the entire device lifecycle, making setup a breeze. This journey from box to user is now a seamless, minimal-effort process, embodying the principles of modern IT management. If you're a user, enjoy your new laptop. If you're IT, start exploring Autopilot deployment for your organization today.